Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to set up and use the messaging system in CloudPM. CloudPM's messaging system lets your hotel automate various notifications to both internal staff and your guests via email or text. In order to use messaging, your hotel must have an SMTP email server configured in CloudPM. You can verify this by opening GM Functions, expanding the Property Settings header, and clicking Reports Email Setup. To set up messaging, go to GM Functions and open Security and Permissions. There are three parts to CloudPM's messaging system: distribution groups, message templates, and the message manager. I'll start with distribution groups. These two lists let you create individuals who can receive messages from CloudPM and assign those people into groups. A bit later, you'll see how this comes in handy for things like distributing reports. The top list is user groups. There are several pre-built, but you can change them, add your own, or inactivate groups as needed. The bottom half lists the individuals we can send messages to. Here we see that Selena can receive both texts and emails, and is a member of two groups. By the way, a user does not need to be part of a group in order for you to send messages to them. The user list has its own toolbar where you can add, change, or delete users, plus this setting, which sets how long your messages remain logged. The second component of the message system is message templates. Templates let you set up pre-formatted text to use for the body of automatic emails. Here's an example of a confirmation email template. Templates are optional, but it's a good idea to use them for guest-facing communications. Now let's open the Message Manager. This is where you'll tell CloudPM to automatically send a text or email based on something that happens in the system. Take a look at these lines. The first column designates what happens to generate a new message. All 7 of these messages are triggered by the close day process. Next, we choose either email or text. Then we tell it what kind of document we're sending. These are all reports. And in the following column, we have a drop-down list of available items in the reports category. These are sent as PDF document attachments. The stationary column is where we select a template. Since all of these are going to internal staff, I made things simple and included only a short message down here instead of creating templates. You probably noticed that some of these are going to both accounting and someone else. Others are only going to accounting, and this one is to management. Since each item is handled separately, you're able to direct each report to the specific group or individual that needs it. These last two lines are a bit different. Take this one. It'll automatically send a confirmation letter to the guest upon making a new reservation. Remember our confirmation template? Yeah, that one. We've entered it under stationary, so that will be the body text of our email, with the confirmation as an attachment. The group column is disabled since this is meant for a guest, so we can't send it to hotel staff. Finally, the last column is any individuals we're sending this message to, which of course is the guest. Thank you for taking the time to view this video. Please feel free to contact your account manager or our customer support center for additional questions.